Want to use your ALDI mobile phone while traveling abroad? Here's how to activate international roaming. As of October 2025, ALDI Mobile offers a global roam add-on for $10 per month, providing unlimited data roaming in over 200 countries. You can activate this through the MyAldi app by calling 1-800-925-2364 or by visiting aldimobile.com/roaming. To activate via the app, download and log in, go to Services, then International Roaming, and toggle it on. Confirm with the one-time code sent to your phone. This is the quickest method, taking just 5 to 10 minutes. You will need to ensure your phone is compatible and unlocked, and that you have an active ALDI plan with a balance of at least $10. If you are calling in, you will also want to make sure to have all of the account information handy before starting the phone call. Understanding ALDI Mobile's roaming rates is crucial to avoid unexpected charges. Without the global roam plan, data is $0.10 per MB and voice calls are 99 cents per minute. With the $10 global roam plan, you get 22 gigabytes of data included. Roaming in Canada and Mexico is free under ALDI's North America plan. Here are some tips to control costs. Monitor your data usage via the MyAldi app. Disable roaming when not needed. Use Wi-Fi calling whenever possible. Be aware that data speeds may be throttled after you hit your data cap. Using a VPN is recommended for security, especially on public Wi-Fi networks.